That's right, today we're talking about the art of seduction and specifically how mastering fragrances can help you attract women. Now, before we get started, if you're new here, I am a fragrance collector and enthusiast, and the first thing you need to know is that women love a man that smells good. And trust me, it's not just about taking a shower and using soap. No. It is far deeper than that. It's about choosing the correct fragrance and making sure it matches your personality. Now, let me give you a little fragrance tip. When you're trying to find the right fragrance, it's about finding a fragrance that makes you feel confident and comfortable. On this channel, we help you find confidence via compliments using the wonderful world of fragrance. It's also important to note that when you're choosing a fragrance, it's going to become part of your identity. So you want to make sure it's something that represents who you are as a person. The fact is, there are so many fragrances out there, and it's easy to become overwhelmed in choosing the right one. As you can see, I couldn't choose just one. But don't worry, your boy has you covered, so let's go ahead and start with the classic. Think about Acqua di Gio from the House of Armani. This is a timeless fragrance. It's been around for years, and it's good for almost any occasion. And then we have modern classics like Tom Ford's Oud Wood. That fragrance perfect for a night out, and it's going to be one of those ones to help you stand out in a crowd. And finally, we have niche fragrances like Creed Aventus. The fragrance is expensive, but trust me, it's worth every penny. It's perfect for special occasions, and it's going to make you smell like $1,000,000. But if you want to stand out even more, you can take a niche fragrance house like Creed and try things like Creed Silver Mountain Water, aka Mr. Still Your Wife, because that is seduction in a bottle. Now, let me give you another tip. When you're wearing fragrance, it's important to not overdo it. You don't want to be the guy that walks into the room and have people smell you way down on the other side of the hall simply because you walked in. Instead, you may want to take a more subtle approach, go a little lighter on the sprays and allow them to experience the fragrance as they approach you. Trust me, that is a tried and true trick to make you more attractive to the ladies as well. Now, let's talk about the science behind fragrances as well. Did you know that fragrances are made up of 3 different layers? You have the top, you have the mid, and you also have the base. Generally speaking, the top notes are experienced within that first 15 minutes of spraying a fragrance. The mid, or the heart of the fragrance, can be detected for a few hours. And then finally, you have the base of the fragrance, which is what the top and the mid dry down to once the fragrance has been applied for way deep into hours. Generally speaking, if you come in close and give it a good whiff, that's when you'll experience the base as it's intended. Now, let me give you one final tip. When you're choosing a fragrance to attract women, you want to find a fragrance that makes you feel confident and sexy. And if Justin Timberlake can bring sexy back, then so can you. Here's the deal. Fragrances with wood and musk are going to be perfect for this situation because they're also going to make you feel more masculine. But at the end of the day, as I said earlier, it's about finding a fragrance that makes you feel good. So that's all, folks. Those are my tips for mastering fragrances to help you attract women. If you didn't learn anything, remember this. It's not about trying to be someone you're not. It's about finding a fragrance that compliments you and makes you feel confident. And if you're not sure where to start, you can always come back here. Check the description box down below because I'll have a host of videos listed for the most complimented fragrances, fragrances that are good for attractive women, etc., specifically for those things. But if you want to take a more hands-on approach, be sure to go to a local department store, ask for some samples. Don't be afraid. Ask for some samples, take them back, try them on skin, and see if they resonate with you. But if you live in a tier 2 or tier 3 market where some of these niche fragrances may not be readily available, you can also check the links down below for sites like ScentSplit or crystalfragrance.com that can send you fragrances to test. You can try them, and then you can find things that resonate with you. And one last thing before we go, I want to give a shout out to my collaboration with Nabitas Parfums, and this one happens to be the key, and I made this one to be the key to compliment. So, you know, on this channel, it's all about improving your confidence via compliments using the wonderful world of fragrance. And if you're new to the world of fragrance or want to up your fragrance game and wardrobe just a bit more, for more compliments, this could be a great place to start. My collaboration with Nabitas Parfums, the key. So listen, before we go, man, I hope you learned learned something today about the art of seduction and or fragrances, and definitely how those two things go together. And as always, if you have any comments or questions, drop them down below so your boy can help you out, expand on the topic a little bit more, or maybe you'll have like a mega 10 level expert come along and answer some of these questions as well. As always, I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend that we are back again. And you already know what I need you to do. Be the best version of yourself, up your fragrance game, and hit the goddamn bell.